Hey everyone, a quick Creo Parametric 7.0 update to show you. And I went back and verified that this is not available in Creo Parametric 6.0, and it's also not listed in the what's new in Creo Parametric 7.0. So it's a little thing that the developers slipped in, but it is very welcome. It is something that people have asked for a long time, and I know it's something that other CAD packages can do, but here it is now in Creo Parametric 7.0. Here I have an assembly. I wanted to analyze it in Creo Simulation Live, so I can jump over to it. It's loading the libraries, and then I realized, oh wait, these parts don't have materials assigned to them. And so back in Creo Parametric 6.0 and earlier, you would have to open each part individually and then assign a material. Well, today I figured out you can just select all the different components, right mouse click and hold, and here we have edit materials. You select that and you get this nice dialog box. It's got an expandable list here of all the different parts that were selected, and as you hover over them, you can see that they highlight in the model. You can also use this dialog box to assign materials to individual bodies, and then we can click on the other button, and I can grab a material. Let's go to legacy materials, and I'll just grab the old steel definition and then click the OK button, and then click OK out of here, and the materials have been assigned to all these different parts, which you can see from the materials folder in the model tree. So it's just a nice little enhancement. It makes working in Creo Simulation Live, Creo ANSYS Simulation much easier and faster, since you can just block assign a material to a bunch of different parts in an assembly. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindshield.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.